I want to roll this odometer back. It's at 10,000 something right now, and reset it to 0 since this bike is going to be like brand new. Nothing nefarious here. I will report I think it's 11,000 something on the bike if and when I ever sell the thing. Since it's getting rebuilt, pretty much everything will be new on the bike. I want to reset this thing to 0. If this works, thank you John aka Silverstrom from the RZ forums. If it doesn't work and I break it, I guess I have to take credit for that. I watched a zillion videos on YouTube and finally found one after a long time that showed a guy with the greasiest thumbnail I've ever seen actually do this just by sticking his thumbnail on here and turning this thing. And there it goes. Wow. Except I can't see. Now I have 00587. John said it would be a little fiddly, and it is, but I'm getting there. I have the 1 mile one to go. I have been using this X-Acto knife a little bit, but trying to do it with my thumbnail for the most part. Oh. It's hard to turn just one at a time. I just turned this one and this one turned. Now I turned that one and that one turned. Oh! Now a whole bunch of them turned. This is just going to take a few minutes, isn't it? They're like in between now. To say it's fiddly is an understatement, but look at that. 5 zeros and 8 tenths. I think I can turn this back by hand or with a drill motor. It takes a little patience. And I think you want to start over here, barely spread this out, and slowly turn the odometer, starting here and here and here, and as you're doing some of them, other ones will turn also. Have some patience and you'll get it done.